Hello investors. Today we are diving into a very intriguing sector: prison management. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the correctional facilities, the big houses, the places where, frankly, most people don't want to think about. But guess what? We're not most people, we're investors, and that means we go where the opportunities are, even if they're behind bars. Now, I know what you're thinking. Prison stocks, Jim. Is that even ethical? Listen, we're not here to sugarcoat things. The prison system is complex, and there are definitely valid concerns about its role in society. But here's the bottom line. There's money to be made. We're talking high-margin, dividend-paying companies listed right here on the US stock market. So buckle up, because we're about to unlock the cell doors on this often overlooked sector. First up, let's talk about CoreCivic, ticker symbol CXW. This company is a behemoth in the private prison industry. We're talking over 60 facilities across the country, housing tens of thousands of inmates. Now, I'm not talking about some rinky-dink operation. These are serious facilities, and they've got long-term contracts with the government, which means a steady stream of revenue. And when I say steady, I mean it. CoreCivic has been churning out profits like a well-oiled machine. We're talking profit margins in the 15 to 20% range in recent years. That's right, 15 to 20%. You try finding that kind of consistency in this market. It's like clockwork, folks. And you know what else is like clockwork? Their dividend. Right now, CoreCivic is sporting a dividend yield of around 5%. That's a nice chunk of change just for holding on to their stock. It's like getting paid to own a piece of the correctional system. Now, some people might balk at that, but not us. We're here to make money, and CoreCivic is handing it out like candy on Halloween. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We're not just chasing yield here. We need to look at the fundamentals. And guess what? CoreCivic's fundamentals are rock solid. They've got a strong balance sheet, a proven track record, and a management team that knows how to get things done. Now, I know what you're thinking, Jim. What about the risks? Listen, every investment has risks. That's the name of the game. But CoreCivic is about as low risk as it gets in the private prison space. They're the biggest player in the game. They've got government contracts, and they're generating tons of cash. So what's the bottom line on CoreCivic? This is a stock that should be on every investor's radar. It's got everything you could want: growth, income, and value. It's a triple threat. Now, I'm not saying you should go out and buy 1 million shares tomorrow. Do your own research, talk to your financial advisor, but don't ignore this opportunity. CoreCivic is a money-making machine, and you'd be crazy not to at least take a look. With its strong financials, consistent performance, and attractive dividends, CoreCivic stands out in a crowded market. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the stability and reliability that this company brings to the table. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, CoreCivic is definitely worth your consideration. Next up, we're going global with GEO Group, ticker symbol GEO. This company is a major player in the private prison industry, but their reach extends far beyond the borders of the United States. These folks aren't just confined to the US market. They've strategically positioned themselves in various international markets, ensuring a steady stream of revenue from multiple sources. They're operating internationally, bringing in the big bucks from all over the world. From Europe to Australia, GEO Group has established a significant presence. Talk about diversifying your portfolio. By spreading their operations across different continents, they mitigate risks associated with any single market. And what's their bread and butter, you ask? Immigrant detention centers. These facilities are in high demand, especially in countries grappling with immigration issues. Now, I know that might sound controversial to some, but let's be honest, folks. Immigration is a hot-button issue. It's a topic that stirs strong emotions and opinions. And where there's controversy, there's often opportunity. Investors who can navigate these turbulent waters stand to gain significantly. GEO Group has tapped into that opportunity like a master oil driller striking black gold. They understand the market dynamics and capitalize on them effectively. They're providing a service that governments are willing to pay top dollar for, and that translates into big profits for investors. Governments need these facilities, and GEO Group delivers. And when I say big profits, I'm not exaggerating. The financial performance of GEO Group has been impressive, to say the least. GEO Group is raking in the dough, generating significant cash flow year after year. This consistent performance is a testament to their robust business model. We're talking about a company with a dividend yield of about 6%. That's right, 6%. This makes it an attractive option for income-focused investors. You could park your money in a savings account and earn practically nothing, or you could jump on the GEO Group train and watch your money grow. The choice seems clear, but it's not just about the dividend, folks. There's more to this company than just a high yield. GEO Group also boasts some seriously impressive profit margins. Their ability to maintain high profitability is noteworthy. We're talking about a company that knows how to squeeze every last penny out of its operations. Efficiency is their middle name. They're lean, they're mean, and they're making money hand over fist. This operational efficiency translates directly into shareholder value. Now, I know some of you might be hesitant to invest in a company that profits from detention centers, and that's understandable. Ethical considerations are important. But here's the thing. GEO Group is simply providing a service that governments are demanding. They're meeting a need that exists in the market. They're filling a need, and they're doing it well. Their expertise in this area is unmatched. And let's not forget, folks, this is a global operation. Their international footprint is a key strength. GEO Group isn't just reliant on the US market. Their global presence provides a buffer against regional economic downturns. They've got facilities all over the world, which provides a level of diversification that's hard to find in today's market. This global reach is a significant advantage. So, what's the verdict on GEO Group? This is a company with a proven track record of profitability, a juicy dividend, and a global reach. This is a company with a proven track record of profitability, a juicy dividend, and a global reach. They're not afraid of controversy, and they're not afraid to make money. They're not afraid of controversy, and they're not afraid to make money. Their bold approach has paid off handsomely. If you're looking for a high-risk, high-reward investment, GEO Group might just be the ticket. The potential for significant returns is there. But remember, do your own research, weigh the risks and rewards, and make an informed decision. Investing always comes with risks, so be sure to consider all factors before diving in. Chapter 3, Management and Training Corporation, the dark horse of rehabilitation and profit. Now, let's talk about a company that's a little off the beaten path, a bit of a dark horse in the world of Prison Stocks Management and Training Corporation, or MTC as the cool kids call it. Now, here's the catch. MTC isn't publicly traded. You won't find them on the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ. Nope. This is a private company shrouded in a bit of mystery. This means they don't have to answer to shareholders, allowing them to focus on their unique approach without the pressure of quarterly earnings reports. But don't let that fool you, folks. MTC is a major player in the prison industry, and they're doing things a little differently. They have a significant presence in the market, managing numerous facilities across the country. You see, MTC isn't just about locking people up and throwing away the key. They're actually focused on rehabilitation, on giving inmates the skills they need to turn their lives around. This includes vocational training, educational programs, and even mental health support. Now, I know what you're thinking. Rehabilitation, Jim? Are we talking about a bunch of bleeding heart liberals here? Well, not exactly. It's a pragmatic approach that balances compassion with practicality. Listen, I'm all for making money, but even I can appreciate a company that's trying to make a difference. And MTC is doing just that by investing in the future of the inmates they manage. And here's the thing, MTC's approach is actually good for business. By focusing on rehabilitation, they are reducing the likelihood of reoffending, which in turn lowers the costs associated with incarceration. Think about it, if you can reduce recidivism rates, if you can help ex-inmates become productive members of society, you're actually saving taxpayers' money in the long run. This is a win-win situation for everyone involved, and that's something that appeals to government officials who are always looking for ways to cut costs. They see the value in MTC's approach and are more likely to support their initiatives. So, while MTC might not be publicly traded, they're definitely a company worth keeping an eye on. Their innovative approach to corrections is setting a new standard in the industry. They're proving that you can do well by doing good, and that's a powerful combination. It's a model that other companies in the industry might want to take note of. Who knows, maybe one day they'll go public and we can all get a piece of the action. Until then, we'll just have to watch and see how they continue to innovate and lead the way. But until then, we'll just have to admire them from afar. MTC is a fascinating example of how business and social good can intersect in the most unexpected places. So there you have it, folks, a crash course in the world of prison stocks. We've covered the giants like CoreCivic and GEO Group, raking in profits and paying out hefty dividends. We've even explored the intriguing world of Management and Training Corporation, proving that rehabilitation can be profitable. But remember, investing in this sector isn't for the faint of heart. It's a controversial industry, fraught with ethical dilemmas and potential for regulatory shake-ups. But for the bold investor, the one who doesn't shy away from a challenge, the rewards can be substantial. In summary, while companies like CoreCivic and GEO Group offer high dividends and profit margins, it's crucial not to overlook the sector's risks. Make sure to conduct your own research to find the best fit for your investment strategy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video!